After a very long time, the Supreme Court finally approved its decision on final year exams. The Supreme Court on Friday said that final year university exams must be conducted. States, however, can ask the UGC for extension of its September 30 deadline. The judges, however, said if any state feels they can't conduct exams by September 30 amid the coronavirus pandemic, they must approach the UGC for new dates to hold the exams. The judges further said states are required to hold final year exams as per UGC guidelines, and for any exemptions they will have to seek permission. The Supreme Court said states can postpone final year exams under Disaster Management Act, but fresh dates have to be fixed in consultation with the UGC. Now let's talk about what about deadline of exams by September 30. The recent UGC guidelines made it mandatory for all the universities to conduct the final year exams by September 30. Either in online, offline or in blended mode. However, after the Supreme Court's judgment, the September 30 deadline is no longer valid. Final year university exams are mandatory, but it is not compulsory to be held before September 30. States can ask UGC for extension of the deadline, the court said. The UGC guidelines also allows the promotion of intermediate students on the basis of internal assessment and previous semester marks. Now let's talk about what about students with backlogs. Students with backlogs, according to UGC, should compulsorily take the examinations. In case a student is unable to appear the examinations in September, should be provided with the opportunity to appear in the special exams held for the purpose as a one-time measure. So what's your views in the decision of Supreme Court? Please let us know in comment section below. And for more news and updates, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.